Right, so example 6 wethu uthi determine the 30th term is 30 kule sequence le 65 60 55 yabo, so le yehla ngo5 so siyazi ukuthi lento njani, it's arithmetic progression now. Right, so the 30th term ke la esizoyidinga nje, sizodinga zonke into zethu u-a u-n, u-n vele sitshele ukuthi u-30 and then u-d. So u-d we know that this is given by T3 minus T2. In this case, T3 it's 55 minus T2, that is 60. So the answer is minus 5. So you can do T2 minus T1 is it's going to be 5, and then that's going to prove arithmetic progression. Right. So this is now now this thing A, we can see value A is 65, and then n wethu sitsheliwe ukuthi the 30th term, so n is equal to 30. So into esifunayo ke T30 is equal to, okay, so for now because it's a equation, I'm going to remove this 30 and forget n instead because it's a equation. So it's Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 times d. So T30 is equal to A wethu still 65 plus n over it's 30 minus 1 times the difference, it's minus 5. So T30 it's going to be 65 plus 30 minus 1 into minus 5. So the answer is going to be minus 8. Right, so the answer is minus 8 0. Yona answer yethu ke then we wanna T30 lo. Also we can simply do it nanje futhi siyazi ukuthi T30 is equal to A plus 29d. So A plus 29d. So T30 is equal to A wethu over A, it's 65 plus 29 and d wethu it's minus 5. Then do it on our calculator. Now corner futhi we'll get the same answer, which is T30 is equal to negative 8 0. So your answer is it all island. And then we move on to example yethu elandelayo. So our next example is a geometric, right? So a geometric progression. It's determine the number of terms in the following sequence. Determine the number of terms in the following sequence. Isifuna n. Example 6, determine the number of terms, right? So now siyazi thina ukuthi ku-geometric Tn is equal to a to the power of Rn minus 1, right? So iterm yokugcina esinikeziwe uba ule. So sifuna ukuthi zingayiki inamba ekhona la kule sequence. So this is ivalue kabaga Tn yethu, right? And then a nangu a ilo, and then r kilo esishoda ngawo. So r siyazi ukuthi it's T2 over T1, so it's going to be 1 over 4 divided by 1 over 2, and the answer so it's all lapho it's going to be 1 over 2. So yona value it's got r. So this is so far lapha, so it's 1 over 256 is equal to la ngifaka ivalue kabalana ka Tn lana is equal to ubani a wethu sithe half, it's 1 over 2 multiplied by r. R wethu akhona futhi ubani half, and then we have n minus 1. Nala futhi kusayinto efanayo, you can't simply multiply lokhu nalokhu. Awukwazi bakwethu, awukwazi ukumultiply lezinto lezi, uhlukumeza imath. right? So into ongayenza ukuthi udivide ngalo half lo. So divide ngalo half lo. So 1 over 256 divided by half. So answer sizoba nayo it's going to be 2 over 26. Wait, 256 equal to 1 over 2 into n minus 1, right? So now isona isibalo esinikezwe ke lena, right? So solve lesibalo ke lesi, okay. So divide ngo half, right? So the only thing we need manje ukuthi solve, right? No, kenza ukuthi ngikhuluma la nginothisa something lana. La lento le u1 over 2 lo uyafana nalo 1 over 2 lo. Yabo? La 1 over 2 bayafana. Right? So maybe we can come up with something here. Since lama base lawo efana, ipower yala yuba u1. Power la u1, right? So la sinento ethi ayibeka nje sisa red pen. Sithi a to the power of 1 multiplied by a to the power of n minus 1. Lama base lawa ayafana, so sizosala nani? Sizosala no a to the power of n, because lo 1 lo nalo 1 lo basukhanselana. So nalana ke into esingayenza ukuze simplify lesibalo lesi, erase all this part. Ngithisa manje into. So ukuze sisheshe, so test nobani, no 1 over 256 is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. Okay, let me write it with another pen, a red pen. N minus 1, and on this side it's positive 1. So lama base lawa yafana, so ama exponents of 8 and 9. So we're going to have 1 over 256 equal to 1 over 2 all to the power of n. Lo then lo bazo 8, right? So mase be 8 ileke, so sesizoba nobani ke 1 over 256 lo can be written as 2 to the power of 8 equal to 1 over 2 all raised to the power n. So siyazi ukuthi u1 raised to power 8 is simply u1. So singayenza ke, you can say this is 1 to the power of 8 over 2 to the power of 8, simply because no 1 nje uyafana noma singamraise kuyiphi power. So this is equal to 1 over 2 all raised to the power of n. So we have 1 over 2 all raised to the power of 8 equal to 1 over 2 all raised to the power of n, and then n wethu will be 8. So yeah, so if you understand it, you can repeat this video again and again. More words for Taklung for now.